Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your smoothie thicker. To achieve a perfectly thick smoothie, begin by using plenty of frozen fruits or vegetables. This is your first and best step for a creamy texture. Next, be mindful of your liquid additions. Less liquid means a thicker result. Finally, consider incorporating ingredients that naturally absorb liquid, like chia seeds, for an even more satisfying consistency. These simple adjustments will transform your smoothie. Certain fruits and vegetables are champions for thickening. Frozen bananas are a go-to for a rich, almost soft-serve consistency. Just 1/2 of a frozen banana can make a big difference. Avocado is another fantastic option, contributing healthy fats and a luxurious creaminess without altering the flavor much. Don't forget cooked sweet potato or pumpkin puree. They add body and nutrients, especially great for fall-inspired blends. Beyond fruits and vegetables, several pantry staples can dramatically thicken your smoothie. Chia seeds and flax seeds are excellent. They absorb liquid and form a gel, making your smoothie incredibly dense. Just 1 tablespoon can have a big impact. Rolled oats, blended in, add a hearty texture and fiber. Protein powder or a scoop of your favorite nut butter, like almond or peanut, also contributes to a thicker, more satisfying drink. Proper blending technique is crucial. Always add your liquid gradually, starting with just 1/4 cup, and only add more if absolutely necessary to get the blades moving. If your blender struggles, use a tamper or stop the blender and scrape down the sides to ensure everything gets incorporated. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your perfectly thick smoothie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.